Hey everybody, it's Danny here. This here is the electric car wash brush that comes with everything you need to get this set up. This is going to be a motorized brush that is rechargeable. You have a button here that you can press. You do get a battery life. You do get 2 speeds. So first press gets you this speed. Second press gets you a little bit faster. Third press turns it off. You do have a telescopic pole that can extend all the way up to get to the rig right there. You're going to get all the hoses and bits and bobs to get the hose connected to this because water can come out from this vent right here. And let's go ahead and take a look of me using it. All right, everybody. So you can see here on this window, I always get some drippage from the AC units up top, and it always leaves a mark right there. I did hose it down. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the spinny brush. Let's go ahead and unlatch it telescopic. Go 3 to lock it in place. I don't know if you can tell, but that looks a whole lot better of having that spinning motion instead of having to like do your sweeping motion up and down to clean it. That makes it a whole lot easier to get that stuff off. Shout out to the company for gifting me this. I can do a review. Highly recommend this spinning wash brush for your RV or car, but mainly for any rig that's a little bit taller because you can telescopic out. This is going to be a huge time saver.